You got me thinking about all the things you do, I just can't resist. And you know I'm feeling for different reasons. And I can't even start, you got me fiending. I can't believe it. Cause she like a song that's stuck in my mind. The song that's stuck in my mind, she's stuck in my mind. The song that's stuck in my mind, yeah. Cause she like a song that's stuck in my mind.
Alright you guys, so the hair that I'm using today comes from a company called IMBEAUTY. And when you open up the box, it came with a bunch of different goodies. So first they have this thank you card, and inside it just shows you how to care for the hair. And then on the back it has their social media accounts. And then also inside the box were these little sample sizes of products, which I love. So there was some edge control, some shampoo, as well as some styling cream. Then they sent me this super cute bedazzled hair clip and also some lashes, which I'm really in love with these lashes. Like, usually hair companies will send you raggedy lashes, but these ones are actually super cute. So now I'm just opening up the bag and showing you the hair. So the hair that I got was this 12-inch full lace wig, and I actually thought it was gonna be a bob, but I don't know what happened. But for whatever reason it wasn't, so I did just end up cutting it into a bob, which you will see later on in the video. But other than that, the hair was actually super soft. So the hair texture is not rough or anything like that, and I actually love the hair. So it's this natural brown color. As you see, it's super silky and again very soft. So it has 2 combs on the side, 1 in the back, as well as adjustable straps. And here is the hairline. Now I didn't use the lace this time, but if you're into that, then the hairline is definitely pre-plucked for you already. So I just went ahead and washed and conditioned the hair. Now I'm just combing it down in the way that I want it to fall. And then I'm going to section off this front piece, cut me some bangs, and then I'm also going to cut my bob all the way around. Now, I'm not a professional. I just did it to the best of my ability, so I don't need anybody in the comments coming for me. But yeah, once I'm done cutting this hair, I'm just going to go ahead and blow dry it, flat iron it, and style it. So I'm going to quit talking now and let you guys watch the rest of the video.
And you know I'm feeling for different reasons. And I can't even start, you got me fiending. I can't believe it. Cause she like a song that's stuck in my mind. The song that's stuck in my mind, she's stuck in my mind. The song that's stuck in my mind, yeah. Cause she like a song that's stuck in my mind. The song that's stuck in my mind, she's stuck in my mind. The song that's stuck in my mind, yeah. You got me thinking about all the things you do, I just can't resist. And you know I'm feeling for different reasons. And I can't even start, you got me fiending. I can't believe it. Cause she like a song that's stuck in my mind. The song that's stuck in my mind, she's stuck in my mind. The song that's stuck in my mind, yeah. Cause she like a song that's stuck in my mind. The song that's stuck in my mind, she's stuck in my mind. The song that's stuck in my mind, yeah. You got me thinking about all the things you do, I just can't resist. And you know I'm feeling for different reasons. And I can't even start, you got me fiending. I can't believe it. Cause she like a song that's stuck in my mind. The song that's stuck in my mind, she's stuck in my mind. The song that's stuck in my mind, yeah. Cause she like a song that's stuck in my mind. The song that's stuck in my mind, she's stuck in my mind. The song that's stuck in my mind, yeah.
Look, hey, we been through a whole lot of bad, but somehow we seem to always end on good terms. I remember those nights you sat on your phone and cried. Now you be trying to hide it and it still hurt. I used to be the one you vent to. Yeah, the one that you were vent to, the one that you was into. The one that you was into, but girl, you a blessing and I need you, I believe that God sent you. Just don't go MIA on me. If you feel like you need a lead, give it time, we'll be fine. Could you wait for me? I remember I couldn't make it for dinner, then you called out the blue just to tell me you say to play for me. Damn, it was good by the way. And I don't even remember saying thank you. I swear I feel like I was selfish back then, but I'm writing this now to show that I appreciate you. I swear that I appreciate you. Might have played girls in my past, but for you I'm mighty faithful. And it's been a thin line between it all, cause if it ain't I love you, it's I hate you. And that shit crazy. Look back and you'll see me. And don't forget I'll be there whenever you need me. Yeah. A lot of girls on me, but I'm only on you, cause I only want you as well.
About all the things you do, I just can't resist. And you know I'm feeling for different reasons. And I can't even start, you got me fiending. I can't believe it. Cause she like a song that's stuck in my mind. A song that's stuck in my mind, she's stuck in my mind. A song that's stuck in my mind, yeah. Cause she like a song that's stuck in my mind. A song that's stuck in my mind, she's stuck in my mind. A song that's stuck in my mind, yeah. Yeah, from the first time I see you, I knew that you was the one that I wanted. And now